morning, dear students. Today we are going to read the first lesson in your English book. Firstly, open your book. See what is the first lesson in your book. The first lesson of your book is Ice Cream Man. How many children love ice cream? Oh, all of you do? I do too. So everybody loves ice cream, and especially in the hot summer, the season we are in now. When it is summer and everything is heated up by the sun rays, what do we love to eat? Something cold and creamy and sweet and wonderful to eat. What is that? An ice cream. So let's start to read this poem and enjoy it. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round, as thick as honey bees. Now let's recite the poem once again. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round, as thick as honey bees. Now look at the picture near the poem. Here is an ice cream man with his cart, and all the children gathered around him, enjoying cones filled with ice cream. Now let's read it poem line by line and try to understand the meaning. When summer's in the city. What does this mean? When summer's in the city. Summer means hot season. Season of summer. When there is hot season in the city. City means the place where we live, the town where we live. At this time we are living at Ramnagar. So at this time this is Ramnagar. So when summer is in the city, when there is summer season in any city and bricks a blaze of heat. And what happened in the summer season? In summer season everything's heated up. We perspire, we sweat, our earth became hot, everything became hot in the summer season. The ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. In this summer season, in this hot season, when we cannot go outside, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. He goes trundling down the street. There is a word trundling. What does it mean? Trundling means moving on a small broad wheel. The ice cream man's cart has little wheels which make a noisy sound, and when he goes down a noisy sound comes out. So goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella. What does beneath means? Look here. Beneath means under the umbrella. This is a round umbrella and the ice cream man is under this umbrella. So this is called beneath his round umbrella. Oh, what a joyful sight! This sight seems to be a joyful sight to the children. Joyful means happy. Sight means scene. This scene looks so beautiful to the children. To see him fill the cones with mounds. Ice cream man is filling the cones with the ice cream, which looks like mounds. Mounds means small hills, mountains. So when the ice cream man fills the cones with ice cream, it looks like a small mounds of cooling brown and white. This ice cream is so cool. Color brown and white. Brown color shows here chocolate flavor and white color. Guess it is vanilla flavor. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chili things to drink. The ice cream man has vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, different types of flavors of ice cream in his cart. He has some bottles of syrup also. You can look at the picture. See here, he has some bottles of syrups. There are different types of syrups bottles here. Some are of yellow color, orange color, green color and different types of color. So from bottles full of frosty fish, green, orange, white or pink. When he opens that bottles, a frosty fish sound comes out. Can you guess why this sound comes out? When you open the bottle of any Coca-Cola or any Pepsi like these things, when you open it, a frosty fish sound comes out. So when the ice cream man opens these bottles, a frosty fish sound comes out. Green, orange, white or pink, and he poured the color of these things onto the ice cream. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. It seems his cart like a flower bed. What is the flower bed means? Flower bed means where we can grow different types of flowers like roses, peas, different types of flowers. So poet is comparing his ice cream cart with the flower bed because he has the different types of ice cream flavors. The way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees, and the way the children cluster round, and the poet compares the children to the honeybees. What comes on the flower to drink the honey? Honeybees. In the same way, children are also gathering the ice cream man to get the ice cream. So, this is the meaning of your poem, and see, the poet of this poem is Rachel Field. See the spelling of Rachel, R-A-C-H-E-L, Rachel, F-I-E-L-D, Field. So learn the name of the poet of this poem. This is also necessary. We should know who has written this poem. Now we will see there are some new words also here. First one is B-L-A-Z-E, blaze. It's mean bright flame or fire. Second word is trundling. T-R-U-N-D-L-I-N-G, trundling. It's mean moving on small broad wheels. Third one is mounds. Mounds mean heap, pile. And next one is frosty fizz. It's mean chilled drink making a hissing bubbling sound. Next one is cluster. It's mean gather around, group of similar things. So these are the hard words. You have to learn these words. So students, this is a wonderful poem, The Ice Cream Man. You will read and learn it by heart and enjoy it.